Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install additional or custom watch faces on Apple Watch SE 3. First of all, you can of course add an official watch face to your device and customize it in many different ways. To do that, just hold your finger down on the watch face and then swipe the screen to the left, tap the plus icon and select the watch face you want to add. For example, this one, just tap add next to it, and then by swiping the screen you can change the elements, switch between the elements that you want to customize, and to customize them move your digital crown. So for example, the typeface, the background and the color. And to apply changes, just press the digital crown, then press it once again to return to the watch face. But of course you can also download a third-party application with watch faces, for example apps like Facer or Clockology. In order to install them, you're gonna need internet connection on your Apple Watch and on your iPhone. So press that side button on your iPhone and check if you are connected to either Wi-Fi or using a mobile data. After that, press the digital crown to open the app list and then find the App Store application, open it. Then let's find the Facer app by tapping search, Facer. Okay, it's the other type of input. Facer. Okay, let's use a different type. Okay, give me a moment to enter this name. Okay, and once you enter the app's title, tap search in the top right corner of the screen, then go to the apps page in the store and tap get next to it. As you can see, it's already installed on my Apple Watch, so I just have to open it, but you cannot do much in it on Apple Watch, so we're gonna need to install the same application on your iPhone too. So on your iPhone, open the App Store. You can find it in the app library. Of course, also make sure that your iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And now let's find the Facer app on the iPhone App Store. And as you can see, it's already installed for me, but if you need to install it, just open this apps page and tap download and install. Then you can open this app and normally you will get a notification. You will get to choose the device that you are using, but it seems that it was used before, so I'm gonna just go to the main page of this app and then select device. So this is probably what you see right now in front of you. Now what we have to do is locate our SE 3 here. Okay, so I couldn't find SE 3 here, so let's just go with SE, and after that select the watch face that you want to download and install. As you can see, most of them are paid, but there are a bunch of free ones too. Let's explore and let's check for the free ones. Okay, so here is the free watch face. Let's tap on it, and now to add it to your Apple Watch, just tap this blue icon right here, then select. And then let's Wait a while. Okay, I had to select a different watch face because the previous one seemed to be troublesome. Just tap this blue icon and then wait until you are transferred to the watch application. Next, click continue, continue once again, then done. And now, as you can see, this watch face is added. And as you can see, it's already applied on the Apple Watch itself. Now to change it or to remove it, you have to hold your finger down on it and then swipe it up to remove it, then tap remove. And this way you'll be able to remove it. Now to change it, you just have to swipe between the watch faces and select the one that you like the most. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.